so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Clairmoy, and we're gonna jump right into this crochet hairstyle. And I have already braided my hair into this pattern. I've done this pattern plenty of times, so make sure you check out some of my other videos if you want to see how I did this pattern. And then with the one braid that's out, I did crochet it in. The hair that I am using is from Ywigs, which is definitely my #1 hair company. I love them. I haven't had any problems with their hair so far. And the hair that I'm using is the Kinky straight human hair. With a small crochet needle, I'm going to just pull the little loop through and then pull the hair through that loop. Just like that, and you're going to do that around your whole head except for the last 2 rows, which, well, not even the last 2 rows. Actually, the front of your hair, you're going to pull the crochet hair like so. And then you're going to leave that out. You're going to pin the hair in the back so you can't really pull it. And now you're going to crochet your hair like you would your whole head, which is just by pulling the hair through that loop. Except for when you get to the last 2 braids where your leave out is. And we'll get into that in a little bit. In the meantime, we're just going to crochet our hair in. This is a very easy hairstyle that you can do within 2 hours, maybe 3.
Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated 18.
Now we are at the section of the hair where we're going to crochet a little different. So when you have that loop pulled through, instead of pulling both of the pieces of hair through, you're only going to pull one. And that's almost going to give the illusion of an invisible part, which will make it a lot easier to cover up any of the strand, like the rope, I guess, because it is kind of like a rope that connects these 2 pieces of hair together. You see, it's like a rope. Yeah, I don't know. It's like thread. Why would I say rope? It's thread that's connecting those 2 pieces together. And instead of pulling both pieces of hair in, like I said, we're just going to pull through one. I mean, honestly, like, this is one of my favorite hairstyles that I want to keep practicing to perfect, because I think it is such a versatile, beautiful hair, specifically kinky straight hair. Well, kinky straight hair is my favorite hair texture because it looks just like our hair. I just wish I had fuller hair that would really cover up this style. So if you have super full hair, that's really going to cover up this style. Like the young ladies I'm showing in the videos, they're also using Ywigs crochet hair. And it's just beautiful. Give me curly hair. Give me kinky straight hair. Also on the website, you can click all these other videos that's going to show you the technique as well and how you can do your own hair using a crochet style. This is the back of the hair. You're just going to do the same thing. Pull those 2 pieces of hair in the loop. And I'm not even styling it yet. I have somewhere to go. So I just want to see how it looks. And I can't, it's still wet. And I can't really wear a hat where I'm going. So, but, and I have class tonight. So I really won't finish this hairstyle. What's up, baby?
Nothing. I just came to see you.
Oh, I really won't finish this hairstyle till tomorrow. Thank you, Sugar Bear. Oh, this is the back. I know for a fact up here is crazy. But you can't see anything through here. But this part right here is crazy. But that's okay because
like I said, I want a wand curl, like the
And
whole
I'm
hair.
using my oldie but goodie curling wand that I have for forever to just take some smaller pieces and curl wand my hair. When we get to the top of the hair, that's where we're going to have to finesse some, because y'all know how my natural hair is. If you've been here for a long time, you know I'm on less struggle bus. But this wasn't too bad. All I did was put some heat protectant on. I have a lot of heat protectant on. And I just wand curled my hair with the extensions. And it blended really, really well together. Which is why I love Kinky straight hair so much. Because it blends with my natural hair really, really well. All the links for this hair will be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Big shout out to Ywigs. And as always, I will see you all in my next video.
Hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby.